I'll make a little video and show you guys a trick that I learned about restoring old plastic on four-wheelers, cars, truck bumpers. You see the fade, how bad it looks. Check this out. Almost like magic. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time, but the end result, it melts all the scratches, changes the plastic back to the form it was when it was new, and it looks so much better. See that? It's going away. It's magic. Anyways, if you got a faded trunk bumper or any kind of plastic on a four-wheeler, dirt bike, or what have you, make sure you don't do it to a gas tank, obviously. Fumes will blow you up, but that's how you restore plastic.